In this video, we're gonna figure out how much money do you need. And don't tell me just hundreds, billions of dollars, because we must set our goals more carefully to understand the exact steps during our journey. By the way, welcome to my journey, guys. And if you're new here, my name is Maria, and here I'm sharing with you my investing strategies because I have a goal to become a millionaire in 7 years or even less. If you wonder why I mentioned exactly 7 years, so that's easy. I made this decision after I read a book, Earn Your First Million in 7 years. It's one of my favorite books actually, and if you would like to read it too, you can find a link in the description down below. So usually here I'm talking about finances, investing in the stock market, investing in real estate, and a little about my lifestyle, not to make this channel too much financially boring. Our topic today is about money. How much money do you need and how much should your cow weigh? I mean, the cash cow, of course. Also, it would be nice if you could hit that like button so we could start. I have a special formula for you and you will see it in a couple of minutes. That's what I did when I wanted to figure out how much money do I need to cover all my expenses, live my comfortable life and have my financial freedom. I wanted to know exactly what amount of money could generate stable passive income for me, especially if I will decide not to work anymore one day. So let's count everything right now. And first of all, you need to know and track all your monthly expenses. I mean, your current expenses if you are happy with your lifestyle now, or your estimated expenses which could make your life much more comfortable. Let's say your goal expenses. I will use the numbers. This program is free on my Mac and you can use any similar program. There are a bunch of them online. Just Google budget tracker and you will see something like that. To make it easier to count, I took some random numbers as an example. It's not my personal monthly expenses. If you want to know what I spend per month, let me know down below in the comments. I'll make a special video about that. So what we have here called money out, it includes rental payments, or it could be mortgage in your situation, utilities, groceries and household, transportation, it's everything about your car or just your monthly Uber expenses, insurance, telephone and internet, education, other, something like clothes, going out, and your loans if you have ones. The program did everything for us, it just added up all our expenses and we've got here $4,150 total expenses. Let's say we are quite happy with that and want to figure out how much money do we need to generate this exact number per month. All we need to do now is one simple formula. We will take our number and multiply by 300. Don't ask me why 300, that's how this formula works. Now we have a number 1,245,000 and that is actually our cash cow that will never die, because this cow will cover all your monthly expenses in the amount of exactly $4,150 per month if this cow will get you 4% of the annual profit. You could ask me why exactly 4% annually? Well, that's what you could easily make investing in a stock market. For example, if you invest this amount of money in a stock market and pick the right index funds or ETFs or even individual stocks, you could easily make 4% annually. Recently, I made a video about my monthly dividends and I really recommend you to check it because I showed there all my companies I own and all my numbers and all my dividends per month. So that's the formula, my friends, and of course you could change your money out number if you're gonna have more luxury lifestyle. You can now easily figure out the size of your future cow. Let's say you want to spend $20,000 per month. We can do the same thing here, multiply 20,000 by 300 and we get 6 million, which invested at 4% per year will get you your luxury $20,000 per month. You can tell me that's awesome, but where can I get such amount of money? Well, that's a different topic and we will discuss it for sure in my next videos. I really appreciate that you support my small channel, and if you aren't yet, Please do it because I'm also talking about my huge goals here, and I'm sure a lot of information from such videos could be useful for you. So guys, take care, stay safe, and I hope to see you soon on this channel. Bye! By the way, speaking of cows, one very popular cow appears in my mind now. There is a video here on YouTube about Russian farm. Go check it, you will have a lot of fun. I'm so interested in your opinion, and I will leave a link below for you down in the description.